Hey guys, this is the next video we have for the next explanation, which we're doing with tabata. So tabata, which also exists in Cape Verdean Creole, is something that you used to do, something that you had done for some long period of time. It's something that you have been doing. You've been doing it for a long time. So tabata. So you could say I used to have a cat, which tabata is tabata for every verb, because the last ta is kind of like ta is like you. It's like the being of used to. But if you used to have, then it's you can't do that. According to them, you can't say mi tabata teen, because you never combine ta and teen. You can't say be have. The taba, not sure what the deal with that is, but yeah. So mi tabatin un pushi. I had a cat. We had a dog. Nos tabatin un cacho. Nos tabatin un cacho. So I used to go to school, was mi tabata by school. You could say we used to go home. So you could say, yeah, we used to go home is, yeah, we used to go home. So even though it doesn't make any sense, we'll just say it anyway, just for practice. So nos tabata by nos tabata by cas. Nos tabata by cas. Nos tabata by cas. We used to go home. We used to, or yeah, how would you say they used to see a dog. So they used to see a dog. Let's say they used to see a dog at night. So dog at night is noche. So na noche would mean at night. Na noche, because bon noche, bon tardi, bon dia. So non tabata wak uncas na noche. Did they used to see a house at night? Si. Non tabata wak uncas na noche. Na noche. How would you say we used to, yeah, I'm sorry, we're going back to the other example. So how would you say we used to see a dog in the afternoon? So not tardi means afternoon. So we'll say tardi. There's another word, but tardi is what we know from our current vocabulary at this point in the course. So not tardi would mean in the afternoon. So how would you say we used to see a dog in the afternoon? Nos tabata wak un cacho na tardi. Nos tabata wak un cacho na noche. Nos tabata wak un cacho na tardi. How would you say we used to read a book? So lesa un buki is read a book. Tabata lesa un buki, used to read a book. How would you say, are you all reading, did you all used to read the book? So you could say buki is un buki. So buki. So how would you say, did you all used to read the book? Boso tabata lesa buki. Boso tabata lesa buki. Boso tabata lesa un buki. Okay. Tabata. And we'll do one more example with teen, tabatin. So, tabatin. So, we used to have, he used to have a house. So, is he or she. So, how would you say that he or she used to have a house? Tabata. Tabatin. Not tabata, tabatin. Because remember, ta and teen can never be combined. Which is why you can't say I'm having. You can't say me teen. You can't say mi ta teniendo. You have to say me. I guess you'd say mi teniendo. I'm having. So, tabatin un cas. Used to have a house. Tabatin un pushi. He used to have a cat. Tabatin un cacho. He used to have a dog. All right, that should be okay for this